Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is Farhan and you are watching English with Malik Farhan. Viewers, today we're going to discuss an interesting topic that is very pertinent, very necessary for the students, especially for the students, definitely students of university level. At university level, you have to give some presentations, and during those presentations, sometimes stupid faces are there. They try to irritate you. So, my today's topic is relevant to this situation. So, today I'm going to give you 5 amazing strategies, 5 amazing responses to an irritating situation. During your presentation, what happens? For example, response number 1, the situation is someone is just constantly staring at you. He's trying to make you puzzled. So, what you have to say? Hey guy, you look too much confident. Would you please join me over here? Hey guy, you look too much confident. Would you please join me over here? Okay, now what happens? He completely keeps silent throughout the presentation. Okay, another situation, what happens? You are giving your presentation, you are already to some extent confused, but someone is doing what? He is looking at you, he or she is looking at you, and they are doing what? They are keeping smile on their face. Constantly they are smiling, they are trying to make fun of you. So you can ask, hey, would you like to come over here? You seem too much confident. Would you please proceed? What happens? They again remain calm and they don't anymore irritate you. Another response. You are definitely in the classroom and you have prepared your presentation quite well, but someone is again and again asking you questions. Simply feel relaxed, keep a smile on your face and ask, hey friend, you have a number of questions. I think you can better explain. Would you join me over here? Again, this is the very easy remedy to give him the shut up call. Okay, so 3 tips I have given. Now, number 4, what happens? Someone is again and again irritating you, or like they are having some sound of pen. They are moving to and fro in the class. So you can say them, my dear, hello my dear, would you please keep sitting? I'm gonna give you the presentation that is for your own sake, that is helpful for you. So please keep sitting. Okay? So you have to do what? You can say, hey my dear, please keep sitting. I have a good presentation for you. So 4 situations are done. Now in number 5 situation, what happens? Sometimes you feel puzzled and you forgot the topic. Don't you worry. Keep a water bottle with you. Take some drops. Just take some water, drink it, and say again continue and again try to continue your procedure presentation. You can say, excuse me, just a pause please, just a wait, and take confidently, drink some water and again start your presentation. If you have these 5 responses in your class during your presentation, you can be a best presenter and you will feel no ambiguity. I hope you have got a clear idea. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.